Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by exporting the area you need from Google Earth Pro. First, pick a precise place mark and save it as KML or KMZ. This preserves geometry. Once done, adjust Google Earth's imagery settings for higher resolution and export the image overlays. Make sure you choose an area small enough to keep file sizes manageable, because large KMLs slow Blender. Finally, confirm coordinate reference information so your model imports at the correct scale and orientation. Now you convert and prepare the exported files for Blender. Use a tool like GDAL or QGIS to convert KML/KMZ into an OBJ, collada, or shapefile. This keeps geometry clean. Then open Blender and import the mesh and the geo-referenced image as textures. Once imported, set the object origin, apply uniform scale, and rotate to match your scene compass. Make sure to check Blender's unit settings so the real-world dimensions map correctly to meters or your chosen unit system. Finish by texturing and optimizing the imported terrain. You'll create a PBR material, plug the exported image into the base color, and unwrap UVs if needed. This ensures the imagery sits correctly on the mesh. Once done, simplify dense geometry with decimate or topology and bake normals to retain detail. If textures appear warped or the mesh sits off-grid, reproject the texture, re-export with consistent projection, or rerun the conversion tool. These steps solve most alignment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.